How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk about stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. We also got to put in the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So just know when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. So today we're going to be talking about BNGO, Bionano Genomics. You've probably noticed already it's definitely pulled back in price and I see a great opportunity here. I've spoken about it many times on the channel already and I want to make sure you have it on your radar. So let's get into the agenda. So what we're going to be going over two updates that came out recently for BNGO, which add to the long-term prospects of the company. After that, we're going to be doing a technical analysis. I want you guys to see where those support areas are, where those resistance areas, and if it does continue to decide to pull back, where you can even get it at an even better deal. And then we're going to be taking a look at the recent institutional ownership and as well as the short interest information. Institutions, yes, we are seeing a lot of activity and it's not surprising to actually see that because we do know BNGO does have a ton of potential. So after we cover all of that, then I'll be giving you guys my final thoughts. So let's get into the updates. So for the first update for BNGO, so Bionano Genomics announces issuance of a US patent for targeted labeling strategy to complement whole genome analysis using optical genome mapping. So May 4th, BNGO announced that the United States Patent and Trademark Office will issue U.S. patent number 10,995,364 today on May 4th, 2021. The patent titled Methods and Devices for Single Molecule Whole Genome Analysis covers methods for labeling DNA molecules with one or more sequence-specific probes and detecting the signal from these probes after the DNA is linearized in nanochannels. The claimed methods of this patent can improve the fine mapping of disease-causing variants, identify novel sequences such as virus integrations, and even detect single base pair changes. Optical genome mapping with the Sapphire system already provides industry-leading detection of structural variants throughout the genome and is used in a wide range of disease applications, including cancer and genetic diseases. So this is definitely great news to hear. We see that BNGO has a great piece of technology here with their Sapphire system, and this is part of the reasons why I always talk about it on this channel. I want to make sure you keep it on your radar, and I do see this stock doubling within a year. It can even grow even more. We already know overall in general, especially we've heard this from Kathy Woods, as far as genomics and genome overall in general, it's a very big industry with a ton of potential going forward. So I want to make sure you guys capitalize on that. But anyways, let's get into the second update. Georgia Esoteric and Molecular Laboratory at Augusta University now offers diagnostic services for constitutional genetic disorders based on optical genome mapping with Bionano's Sapphire system. Just to continue, the last time when we spoke about BNGO on the channel, I was talking about this is the way they're going to be driving in revenue and the fact that they're continuously getting deals done. We went over the deal in regards to the one with the NHS down inside the UK, and I definitely do believe that's going to turn out being well. We've known about previous deals they have made. We know that we just covered that they did their patent. The future is really looking bright for BNGO. I hope you guys actually consider taking a look at it and taking advantage of those pullbacks. But let's not waste any more time and let's get into the technicals and as well as institutional ownership and the short interest, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis for BNGO. So it ended up closing today at $5.79, being down 3.34% on the day. On the low, it tested $5.53, and then on the high, testing $5.97. So right away, what I want to tell you guys, if you're getting BNGO anywhere in this $5 area, that is definitely a great price. Even taking a look at the current price of where it's at $5.79, if we take a look at the RSI down below, it's literally at 30. So that does present a buying opportunity if you believe in the long-term prospects of this company. As far as our indicators, we are well below that. So we're below the 200-day, we're below the 100-day, and as well as the 21-day EMA. So what this is looking like, it's definitely looking bearish. So there could be some more room to the downside. So what I would be looking out for on a pullback is here around this this 518, this 520 area, and also looking out for this $5 area. If this $5 area ever did decide to end up breaking, then definitely look out here for around the 460, 450 area. But I feel like that $5 area should hold up well. But of course, we can't predict what the market's going to do, right? So if you do get that opportunity, I think it is great. Now, as far as areas of resistance that we're dealing with currently, it's definitely right here at this $7 level. We're going to see some resistance, and as well over here, as you can see, right around this $6.50 level, and also taking into consideration this $6 level. So if it ends up actually getting above this 6 and actually having support there, which it's shown to have that in the past, then things will be looking good and we can reclaim the 21-day EMA. But for now, how things are looking, there could definitely be some pullbacks in price, and that's why I want to keep you guys updated, because I see, as far as BNGO, where the price is right now, it could definitely double within a year. There's no doubt in my mind about that. So I think that does offer a great opportunity. So we're on fintel.io. We're going to be taking a look at the institutional ownership and as well as the short interest information for BNGO. So as we scroll down on the page, total institutional owners come up to 87. And as we go down further, green rows indicate new positions while red rows indicate closed positions. And what we could see as of late, institutions are definitely loading up on BNGO. Most notably, we can see here on May the 4th some adjustments being made, and these position sizes are very significant. And even the average prices here at $5.57, $5.59, you're getting in fairly close to the current prices of what institutions are paying, and this is why I see it's a great opportunity. We can see Zurcher Cut-Off Bank with 40,000 opening up a new position back on May the 3rd, even taking a look at April the 30th, where we have institutions who have been loading up and adding to their positions. So overall, in general, it's definitely looking good on the institutional side in regards to recent buys. As we know, institutions are not going to invest in companies if they don't see a return on their investment. Now, short volume stands at around 2.67 million, and this is as of May the 4th. So as we scroll down, short shares availability stands at 2.3 million, and the short borrow free rate stands at 0.85%. As far as the history for the short volume ratio, it'll be very interesting to see what it looks like when it comes out later on for today. But we could see recently in the past, BNGO has flirted in that area, being above 21%, but it has gone down. So one of the things I'm going to be looking out for is price action. It's part of the reasons why we do the technicals, and if we could see a bearish pattern continuing, it just gives us an opportunity to get a great stock at a great price. Hope you guys found this helpful. So for my final thoughts for Bionano Genomics, BNGO, there's definitely a great opportunity here. We're seeing a lot of volatility inside of the markets, and what I see that as, I see this for getting great stocks at a great price, and I feel like BNGO is one of them. Yes, it is a penny stock, and many penny stocks have been beaten down, but as far as the long-term potential for BNGO, I definitely see it. And also what adds more fuel to the fire is that they're constantly getting deals done. We're seeing that a lot of laboratories and as well as institutions, especially most recently, the biggest one coming from the UK, they want to use the Sapphire system. So taking all this into consideration and also looking at, we went over the price targets now, we saw it also reach up to those highs. That's why it's part of the reasons why I do believe this stock will double. Currently where it's at in that $5 level, I would not be surprised within a year if this stock goes to $15, which would be well more than double here. So if you are considering getting into a position, of course, do some more homework, do some more due diligence so you can have confidence in your decision. But I do see this stock could potentially pull back even further. We have institutions who are loading the boat. Institutions will not load the boat if they do not see a potential return on their investment here. I'm not saying to just guide your investment decisions based on that, but it does help in regards to giving you more conviction and understanding in regards to what is going on the institutional side. So when you combine this with doing technicals and also keeping an eye on the company and seeing what are they doing to actually grow and improve the bottom line, and then you add on top more due diligence, hey, you end up having a great stock on your hands, and I feel like BNGO is definitely one of them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll be talking real soon.